All right guys, so a big question that we get asked a lot is how to operate this plow. And I'm gonna show you in this video how to simply disconnect and connect your plow and how to operate it. What better machine to show you how to work a plow than on a Viking? We already got it connected. As you can see here, you got the plow, you got your push tubes, your springs, your winch is connected right there, and you got your 2 pins that connect to the plow mount. That's how it all connects. So first thing you want to do is make sure that the slack is out of the winch. When you do that, you'll disconnect this hook right here. We'll tuck that away right there. Pull this pin out. There's one. Definitely want to watch your fingers. Pull that pin out. Watch my toes here. Not heavy at all, super easy. And just like that, you can drive away, your plow's disconnected. Next up, you gotta put it back together. Whenever you got this plow disconnected, because you don't want to drive around all the time with it on. Let's say it starts snowing like this weekend, lift that plow back up. Push the pin through, super easy. Do the same to the other side. Pin goes right through. We're going to pull this winch back down. Connect it. And winch it back in. Take a video there. Your winch controls the plow. Now, you might be wondering, well, how do I shift the plow? Well, you can either buy an actuator from parts, and that there, you just press a button and your plow will turn, or you pull this lever, locks it right into place. You can also move it, so there's 3 different angles. You can do this angle, center, or left. We're gonna leave it just like that. So to sum it up on how to connect and disconnect the plow, well, pretty much anyone can do it. There's 3 steps. Disconnect the pins, disconnect the winch, drive off on your machine. Super easy, and like I said, 3 different positions that you can pivot this blade, depending on if you want to shove the snow to the left, push it through the center, or push it to the right. It's 3 different settings. If you go with an actuator, you'll be able to adjust it really however you want it to be. And you don't have to get outside of your machine or step in the snow or anything like that. The plows that we sell, we make sure that we sell wide enough plows to where if you cut that wheel all the way to the left or the right, your tires aren't going to be in the snow, so you won't have to worry about getting stuck. We got plows, we got winches, we got machines, Romney cycles, we got what you want.